Hey guys, what's up? Noel here again. Today I'm going to show you how to solve another system of equations like on my past video. But the catch here is that we're going to use random numbers with this command. What does this mean? That this coefficient a11x, it's going to be a random number. a12 is going to be a random number. a21 is going to be random. And all the numbers are going to be random. So the thing that we're going to do here, we're going to use the command while, which help us to create like two ways every time we use document. Like for example, here I'm gonna start to solve. I mean, this document help us to start solving systems until we get a singular matrix. What does a singular matrix mean? That the determinant is 0. So this means that the system can be solved. So this document help us to start solving random matrices until we get a singular matrix. And that's how while works here. This means while not singular. What does this mean? While the matrix isn't singular, the program is gonna start to solve the system like it normally does. Here's it's basically the same algorithms we used on my past video. While, until, here it says, if the determinant of the system is 0, this is a singular matrix, sorry, and the program is gonna start to solve random matrices until it get a singular matrix. So here we go, we got Python here, we're gonna put dir, and here I got my document. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna write Python. I'm gonna paste it. And as you can see, Python starts to solve systems until it gets a singular matrix. Here, Python solved 45 matrices until the last one, the 45, was a singular matrix. And this was just an example. Let me do it again. Here, Python. And as you can see here, now Python solved 111. I'm gonna do it one last time. And as you can see here, Python only solved 58. Well, I'm gonna do it the last time. As you can see here, this is what I want you to see. Python is solving a lot more of systems. Wait, as you can see here, Python solved 949 matrices until this one was a singular matrix. So the number of matrices that Python is going to solve, it's just random, as I said earlier, because we're using random numbers. So this is just a basic, just an example, a basic example, I'm sorry, for me to explain you how the command while works. It's very useful in these kind of problems. And yeah, I think that will be all. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.